1, 2, 3, go. Heels. Wow. All good, all good. No worries.
Check this out. All right, we're gonna drive this on the water and see what happens. Whoa! There he is. This is the Sea Reacher Model Z, the fastest one and best one they've made yet. Look at this piece back here. That right there is a snorkel because this can dive underwater. See these fins? Check this out. I can actually control them with these levers right here. Look at that. Over at the back, you have more fins. How cool is that? Now this is like a submarine, a boat, and a fighter jet all mixed into one. It can go up to 65 miles an hour, and take a look at the seating. Just like a fighter jet, tandem seating, made of leather bucket seats right there. Down the middle, you have an infotainment system, surround sound, and this can dive 6 feet underwater for up to 30 seconds.